balloon pop, where you use your rear end to pop the giant blown up balls all over the floor. It is really fun, so you should try it yourself. What you need is a big space and 15 balloons. Voila, you're ready to go.
Right, so we have 15 balloons. Brooke's cheating already. And when I say go, you can only use your butts.
It's cheating.
He's little. We let him cheat.
Well, then I'm doing it.
You have 15 balloons to
Hit
pop.
my egg.
Whoever can pop the most with your butts. Ready, set, go.
Oh, God, I'm so... Ah!
Brooke had 6.
I think
Ben had 3, which is 9, and there's a total of 15. So Blake got 6 too.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.
Buy your bin product at Wagners.com today. Not